My name's Richard Larson, and I'm currently a sergeant with the BYU Security Department with the BYU Police. The first 150 departments that request a first aid kit will be issued one, and those will have basic supplies. Most of the time when somebody's injured, they're looking for Band-Aid or something to clean up their wound, and often buildings don't have those available. Some do, but quite a few buildings don't, or they don't know where it's at. So to be able to present those to the building that requests one for the building manager, and then to keep them supplied. BYU is just a beautiful place to work. The students are amazing, everything is clean. In the first meeting that I had at BYU, we offered a prayer to start the meeting, and I've never experienced that at anywhere else that I've worked.